Is this how you serve your fucking popcorn? Piece of shit. Fuck you. What the fuck is that?
What? It bursted open, didn't it?
That's not popcorn. That's an abomination. Jesus
They only
Christ.
gave us 2/3 of a bag.
What the fuck?
Put that in for the normal time too.
You fucking kidding me?
Wow. How we think we should go.
What the fuck? It exploded! Ah! Let's open this bad boy up. Here, open it. Hold the phone. Gander. Look at that. Yum. What the fuck? What the? Oof, that smells awful. You know what this is? Some fucking trash. Oh yeah. Ugh, touched it. Good fucking riddance.